Hello, John Neilson here, Neilson Cleaning. We're in Aliqua Lakes. I just wanted to kind of show you what we're doing here. Let me flip this around. Here's one of our homes we did maybe about 3-4 months ago. Probably maybe like 6 months ago. You can see we cleaned the whole roof on this house, and we sealed the roof. We put a clear sealer on the roof. That way water just beads right off. The roof pretty much stays dry all the time, and it really lowers the chance of it having to be washed for many years to come. We offer a 5-year warranty. We've also we sealed the pavers here. It's kind of cloudy right now, so it's hard to see. You really don't see this shine. Every so often you can see in the video like a little paver, but I mean, it's a beautiful deep rich color. This was a water-based sealer, and it will never turn white and cloud up and haze on you. In time, as it fades, it'll fade naturally and just slowly, and that's good to go right there for at least 5 years. And then we'll just give them a nice recoat. Actually, we're doing one in Ormond Beach. I sealed back in 2014, and he's just ready for a recoat. We got this house here. We're not doing this one here. Maybe when he sees what we've done there and what we're doing here, we'll be able to come back and seal his driveway. But for right now, you see Jose's getting off the roof. We've actually washed, and we're going to be sealing this whole roof. You can see, let me stop it right there. He's putting the sealer on the roof. Like I said, it's a clear sealer, so you really don't notice it, but you will notice it when it rains. The roof will stay this color, it won't darken up, and water will not penetrate the roof. There's all the sealer back there. We're going to be back here in 2 more weeks, washing and sealing these pavers. But this whole roof is watertight, and you don't really see it now because the sun's not out. But it does have a nice little shine to it when the sun beats on it, and from a distance when you drive up, it looks really good. So hopefully we can get some more homes in here and match up this neighborhood. Again, we did the one down there, this one here. So if you need your roof washed, sealed, or your pavers, you know, we can really enhance the look of your property, and it protects it. It protects it from fading. You know, the sun is so hot down here. It's a really good investment. So we recommend you give us a call, 386-956-3406. Thank you.